Welcome back. We are 10 minutes to the top of the hour. A lot of livestock producers, either buying or selling in the livestock industry, should say, watching these markets all week long. Todd Horwitz is here to sort it all out for us. Todd, as we head toward the end of the week here tomorrow and Friday, what do you make of this beef trade where we sit right here and now?
Well, I think we've been a little bit overdone to the downside, Mark. You know, we had some certain objectives. We saw that big rally, and everybody thought, oh, this is it, we're going. I said, you know what? Let's check these resistance levels, and here we are pulling back down, even a little lower than I thought we could go. Here's a spot I'm going to look to buy. Now, what you want to watch for is you look to see if we can continue to push them lower. In the last couple of days, after that limit down move on Monday, we haven't really been able to break down and follow through. To me, this looks like a great area to step in and say, you know what? Let's buy some. Let's start to move in here a little bit. I think we will see higher prices. Now, could there be a little bit lower prices till action? Sure, there's still going to be a little bit lower coming forward. But I think overall, long term, these are going to be a buy here, and this is going to be a nice entry point to get in because I think we're going to see higher prices going forward. And I think the summer is going to be good, and I think we're going to have a good season going into it now.
Very good. Down over $1 now in the June live cattle. How about feeder cattle? Same thing there. Scenario there, lower today. Are we at buy levels for May and August?
I think you are. I mean, I think if you look out into August, you see, you look out into November, you see 138 feeders. You know, that's obviously not a great chart pattern because we're a little bit in backwardation. However, I think that's telling me that that's probably a pretty good spot to start to look to buy. So if you go out in time a little bit and start to buy out there, I think that's what you want to look for because I do believe that higher prices are coming. I think we're going to see another nice rally. I think this is acting very similar to the way that the grains acted all last year. They kept trying to push them down, push them down. Now we've got this rally. I think we're going to see the same thing here where eventually the shorts are going to run out and we're going to be able to see some action and see some movement forward.
Very good. And Todd Horwitz joining us. By the way, it's BubbaTrading.com for all the information. If you want to learn more about how to protect yourself, take advantage, whether it be in the grain or livestock trade, in the hog complex right now. Higher from the start this morning and even higher staying that way through late morning back toward $80.
You know, I think that's a good sign. Now we've got to burst through here. We've seen this dance now for quite a while. We've really been in a very tight range and actually broke to the downside a little bit. Now we popped up. So we held 76. We're moving our way back up. We need to break back above 80 for me to get excited that we can get much higher prices. But I think what we're going to see is more of this sideways trade for the next couple of months because it just appears that way through the charts and through the markets that we're not going to see a dramatic move here. Plus the fact with beef so cheap, I think that we had hogs going in. So I think that's what we'll see.
Yeah, it's hard to swim upstream, I guess you would say, with cattle, what they're doing. Todd, thanks for your time. We're going to get those numbers for those folks tuning in on the radio, and we'll talk to you tonight on our Real Evening News. Todd Horwitz.